Okay, guys, in this video, we're going to be looking at example 16. We're going to be finding quotients when we have monomials in the denominator. A monomial just means one term in the denominator. In this case, the denominator is square root of 2. To get rid of it, we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 2. Okay, so we'll be multiplying everything in this numerator by that square root of 2. So we have 2 times the square root of 2 plus the square root of 5 times 2 all over the square root of 2 times 2. This is going to equal 2 square root of 2 plus the square root of 10 over the square root of 4, which is just 2. Then we're going to see if we can simplify it any further. We don't have a coefficient out in front of that square root of 10, so we're not going to be able to simplify this any further. We're going to leave that as our final answer. Part B. Again, we see the square root of 2 in the denominator, so we're going to multiply numerator and denominator by the square root of 2. Again, both things in the numerator. So we have 4 times the square root of 2 minus 6 times the square root of 2 times 2, which is 4, all over the square root of 2 times 2, which is 4. Simplify this a little bit. We have 4 square root of 2 minus 6 times the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 4 is 2, so 6 times 2, which is 12, all over square root of 4, which is 2. We're going to see if we can simplify this any further, and we look at the coefficients. We have 4, 12, and 2. All three of those are divisible by 2, so we're going to divide all of them by 2. So we'll have 4 divided by 2, which is 2, square root of 2, minus 12 divided by 2, which is 6, all over 2 divided by 2, which is 1, which we don't need to write. So that would be our final answer. On to part C. Okay, now we have the square root of 12 in the denominator, so we'll multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 12. So on the top, we'll have 2 square root of 12 minus the square root of 5 times 12, which is 60, all over the square root of 12 times 12, which is just 12. Now we're going to simplify out a little bit, so we can rewrite the square root of 12 as the square root of 4 times 3. 4 is a perfect square, minus the square root of, the factor of 60, or there's a factor of 60, is 4. 4 times 15, all over 12. So then on the top, we'll take this first one, 2 times the square root of 4, which is 2. And then the 3 gets left behind, minus the square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 15 gets left behind, all over 12. This 2 divided by, or 2 times 2, we can rewrite as 4. And we notice that 4, 2, and 12 are all divisible by 2. So we're going to divide them all by 2. So we have 2 square root of 3 minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we just have square root of 15 all over 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Okay, so that's what that one looks like. We've simplified it all the way through. And so that's that example. Obviously, if you have any questions, please ask in class. And then here is your try it for this set of problems, just a couple of them. So go ahead and give those a shot, and we'll see you in class.